Hi, here we have a nice algebraic equation. X raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 is equals to 2. Here we are going to find out the value of x, and here x belongs to the real number. So let's start our solution. In the first step, I am going to take this to the left hand side. So this given equation turns to x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 minus this will turn to minus 2 is equals to 0. Here I was going to change this 6 power in the form of 3. So for that I was going to write this in this form x raised to power 3 and whole raised to power 2 minus x raised to power 3 minus 2 is equals to 0. Here we have x raised to power 3 and x raised to power 3 is common. So I was going to let here let y is equals to x raised to power 3. So this equation turns to x cubed turn to y and square minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Here we get the quadratic equation. Now we're going to factorize this equation. So this is our product minus 2 as I will be going to write the factor for this. So I will get 2 times 1. So which number get the negative sign here? This we have negative 1. So I will going to write it with this negative and this will be positive. We'll turn to y square minus 2y plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we're going to take the common factor of y minus 2 plus, and here we're going to take one common, y plus minus minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we are going to combine this y with this 1 and this 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now here we get the two cases. Y plus 1 is equals to 0. Y minus 2 is equals to 0. As I solve this, y is equals to minus 1 and this will turn to y is equals to 2. Now here we're going to recall x cubed is equals to y. So the value of y we have x cubed is equals to minus 1. I'm going to plug in the first case value here. And as I'm going to bring this to the left hand side, x cubed, and this will going to the left hand side, it will turn to positive 1 is equals to 0. Now if I'm going to write 3 here, so this is in the form of perfect cube. So I was going to apply the perfect cube formula here. That is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. Now I'm going to apply this formula here. So this will turn to x plus 1, this is a and this is b, and x square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have the two cases. X plus 1 is equals to 0. X square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. For x is equals to minus 1. So this is our first value of x, and here I will going to find out the discriminant for the equation. So the formula for the discriminant we have b square minus 4ac. This is a, this is b, and this is c. So as I'm going to plug in minus 1 square minus 4, 1 and 4 is equals to this. I will get 1 minus 4 minus 3. So here the value of discriminant is less than 0, means there is no real solution for it. Now the second case value we have, that is y is equals to 2. Now I'm going to recall x cubed is equals to y. As I'm going to plug in the value of y, it will turn to x cubed is equals to 2. I'm going to take cube both this side. This and this get cancelled. And here I will get x is equals to this. I'm going to write this cube. I can write in the form of power 1 over 3. So 2 to the power 1 over 3. So this is our second x value. Now it's time to use those values of x. The equation we have, and for the x value we have x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to 2 to the power 1 over 3. So I'm going to solve this for first value of x, that is minus 1 raised to the power of 6 minus 1 is to the power of 3 is equals to 2. Here we have the power, that is a number. So as I'm going to solve it, I will get positive number 1 and here minus, and here we have the odd number, so I will get negative 1 is equals to 2. 1 now minus plus 1 is equals to 2. So here left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x, that is minus 1, that is absolutely correct. Now I will going to solve it for the value of x, that is 2 raised to the power 1 over 3. Now I will going to plug in the value 2 to the power 1 over 3, 4 raised to the power 6 minus 2 to the power 1 over 3, 4 raised to the power 3 is equals to 2. Now we're going to simplify this power. This and this get cancelled by 2, and this and this get by 1. So the equation turns to 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 is equals to 2. So turn to 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. We get 2 is equals to 2. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x, that is x is power 3, is absolutely correct. And for watching my review, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.